live on these floors. Who knows what's going on
Can we
up
go up
there?
to the 3rd and 4th?
Yeah, of course. Do you want me to bring you?
Sure.
All right. Do you want these
Unless you
lights?
don't want to, I mean, that's up to you.
The only place
What
that
was
What was that?
Who's the door shutting? I don't know.
was it? Did someone prop it up? I heard that too.
Is that Mike?
That's right. I can.
I assumed it was Mike.
That's what I did too.
Oh, maybe it was just like that.
It was like this, and it must have just slowly started going. I don't know. This doesn't really move.
That definitely
Does
would have.
that ever just close?
No.
I would have picked that up on. I was recording.
It actually takes quite a bit to move it.
Do you want to go? Let's go back in that room for just a second while something's hot.
Your
I'd like
arm's missing in the picture.
My arm?
Your arm.
Let's
can't-
go back
would've-
for just a minute.
I would have got that on the recording.
Let's go.
Do you want me to leave it open, closed?
I've never seen
Do you remember how it was when we went
It was
through?
like it
Just
is
like
right
that.
here.
Okay.
Yeah, leave it open.
Mike? It was definitely like right here. Let's just sit here for a minute and if something's hot, I'd rather let it just run.
Sure.
What do you think, Mike?
That's awesome, isn't it? They do a really nice job of setting up environments for kids here. The kids here are really happy. The staff here are really great.
Now, have you ever had any like bad vibes or only good?
No, the only place that I don't go is the basement.
Just weird feelings?
Yeah, I'm sensitive.
That light just blinked. Did you see that?
What?
The light in there.
Light in where?
That room across from me.
It lit up?
It blinked. The ceiling.
Like a light bulb light?
Yeah. One of those floodlight.
It's flickering.
Like. There's like a noise in there.
Yeah, there's a noise in there. I don't know if that was from upstairs.
But this light right here just blinked.
You would have been around before.
See it? Did you see it?
Well, we just heard a boom in the other room.
And the door just went.
Yeah.
What door? Did you just hear that?
The door, shut again.
It just shut.
I thought it was who you loudly smelling at.
I was laughing that it happened.
The fact that the door just moved again?
Yeah.
So that, would you know if that does that? Like, would you?
I can tell you
like,
what,
if
it
did that
went
a lot,
pretty
would you know that?
fast.
Or
I
if
just-
you're on the
Did
second
it?
floor, you
Because-
wouldn't know that. Would that be?
I would
Like
probably
that
know.
fast?
I could probably ask.
Well,
them.
coming off from
I
being
videoed
stuck
part
on-
of it. Part of it. I don't know. Do you want me to stop and rewind and show you?
Was it like that fast?
Yeah, it was pretty fast.
It was like that. Yep.
Maybe that's just something like
But
that.
at the same time that happened, I
Could be.
swore I heard a step. And there
Yeah,
we
but
go.
and the light did it twice.
But I heard just like that.
Cause it did it once and
Did
then
you just do it, Keith?
I can hear it just slowly creeping up.
Okay, well, I think it's just doing it.
Okay.
You gotta figure it's being cool.
Do you want me to leave the lights on if you're gonna come back, or if you want me to keep them on?
Yeah.
Or do we want them just off as we go? Let's
Oh,
turn them
well,
off.
you can turn these off.
Okay.
Yeah. What's that?
There's a toy going off.
Filming, Linda.
It's flying out like.
We got a toy going on.
And shut it off again, see if it's
What,
not as
was
light.
that a baby?
No, it sounded like a rooster.
I thought it was an elephant.
No,
Okay, let's
what?
find out what's making that
I
noise.
didn't know
Alright,
what
well,
the.
hold on a second.
Yes.
Heard it,
Let me
but
shut it
I
off
don't
again and see if it's a light sensitive toy. Hold on.
know. Yeah.
It is.
Okay, this
All right.
will be fun tonight.
That's debunked.
Which one was it? That cow?
I never heard of light sensitive toys.
Try it
Well, it sounded like a rooster the first time, so maybe.
I have a
Try
Try
this
it.
thing.
Try it. Hit that light again.
Maybe that cow.
Shut it off again?
Yeah. Oh.
So if you got a flashlight in here, it's gonna do it.
Right here.
Oh, it's a puzzle.
Can
Yeah.
you flip it over and do something so it doesn't go off?
See what? With my light.
Cover the open puzzle
See what?
piece.
Here.
Cover it with something so nobody like has a heart attack in it.
Hey, there's nothing to cover it with.
No.
Just cover another puzzle.
Here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just wanna make sure.
That was
That'll
freaky.
scare Mike. You should just leave it.
That
That'll teach him.
was freaky.
That's gonna scare Michael.
Yeah, but that's the fun part of it.